I don't know if you can tell the difference. It just looks a lot more tidy and a bit neater.
So that's one done, one not done.
This pen is so easy to use.
Welcome back to Fabulous's We Try 3. Today we're trying micro brow fillers.
This is what I'm going to try and use to perfect perfect brows. Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat.
I'm trying the Kevin Aucoin True Feather Brow Marker Gel Duo. Bit of a mouthful.
I'm trying the Missguided Beauty Oh Hey Brow Micro Precision Brow Pencil.
First off, we've got this handy little brush that is there to obviously get my brows in shape, and then on the other end we've got the tip, and it's a really fine kind of micro blade to give you that really like natural look.
On the one end you have a pen, and then on the other end, which twists off, you have a clear gel for fluffing them up, which I just think is amazing. Like, it's so handy to have them both in the same place. You can just pop this in your handbag, and you don't need to worry about any other products.
It's got a ultra thin crayon on one end and a spoolie on the other, which is really handy for brushing up the hairs and blending out the colour. Let's see how I get on.
Yeah, I'm just doing lots of little thin strokes. So that's one done, one not done. You can see the difference.
I'm hoping it's going to give like really nice hair-like strokes. First opinion, it blends in perfectly. It looks really natural. So now that I've filled in my brows, I'm going to go ahead and use this clear gel. You can then just fluff them up, make them look a bit fuller, and it holds, and your brows stay in place all day.
So I've done my right brow now. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It just looks a lot more tidy and a bit neater. Not too full, not too dark.
So as you can see, my brows are all filled in now, and I'm actually really surprised because the pencil is so thin. I wasn't expecting to get that much coverage. It's a more kind of natural look you can do obviously for the day, or if you want it really thick like I usually do, then obviously you can just go in a little bit more. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat and would recommend.
If you have really skinny sparse brows like me, you know, you overpluck them when you're younger and you just can't get them back, then this is an absolute game changer, because the pen really is like filled in all my gaps and it still looks natural, while the gel on the other side stands your hairs up, like the little hairs that I have, fluffs them up and just makes them appear fuller. The only thing I don't like is where the gel dries, by the end of the day, you may get a bit of crispiness on your hairs. Otherwise, this is not leaving my handbag or my makeup bag.
I really like them fluffy, and I think this is really good for that because you only need to use the pencil in the areas where you feel like you need that extra coverage. It's really creamy, so really easy to apply. You don't feel like it's dragging the other makeup away or scratching at your skin, which I hate. Where I press too heavy, it blended out really easily with the spoolie on the other end. The shade is great if you've got ashy brows. Normally I find blonde ones are too yellow or brunette ones too dark. So yeah, I'm really impressed.